Look at the board. Look at it. We have described electrovalent bond, covalent bond, dative covalent bond. You understand? We are going to describe these two bonds before the last bond called metallic bond. So we are done with this topic. Do you understand? Yeah. So remember what I told you in ionic bond, electrovalent bond. I get it. Transfer. Covalent means sharing. I told you how this. We have described single covalent, double covalent, triple covalent. Jamb question going on. So now that will ask you the bond type between two iodine molecules, naphthalene crystals, and also important in the liquefaction of gas. Gas is called dash. The answer is van der Waals forces. Van der Waals is intermolecular forces that are very weak. That are very what? It's an intermolecular weak forces. It's called what? This is a very weak force. It's the most weak force of attraction in comparing to covalent and what? Ionic. Van der Waals force is a force of attraction. It's a weak force of attraction between two molecules, between two elements. You understand? It's a very weak force of attraction. It's what you play a better role in what? Liquefaction of what? Gas. In what? Iodine molecules, formation of two iodine. You understand? Naphthalene crystals formation. You understand? Yeah. Ever can find the one I was both get the hollow. Then what is a hydrogen bond? That we ask you. A bond between hydrogen and the strong electronegative element is called dash hydrogen bond. A bond between hydrogen and nitrogen, iron, oxygen, fluorine is called dash.
Hydrogen bond.
It's called dash.
Hydrogen bond.
So this is called what? This bond is called what?
Hydrogen. Water.
Is it hydrogen bond or ionic or covalent bond? What kind of bond is in water? Only water.
Is
hydrogen bond. That one you're talking about is copper ion and water. Is different. That one is coordinate or dative. Do you understand? But this one is a bond between hydrogen. You know, say hydrogen here, and what? Electrovalent, strong electrovalent element. That is non-metals. A bond between hydrogen and non-metals is called that.
Hydrogen.
A bond between hydrogen and strong non-metals are called
hydrogen.
But a bond between metal and non-metal is called a bond between hydrogen and strong non-metals is called
hydrogen and
strong non-metals.
It's called hydrogen bond.
Hydrogen bond. It's a bond between hydrogen and strong non-metals. Like nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. A bond between hydrogen and nitrogen, or bond between hydrogen and oxygen, or hydrogen and fluorine is called what? Hydrogen bond. They will ask you, why is ethanol? You know ethanol? Yeah. Why is it soluble in water? Because of hydrogen bond. Ethanol, hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond makes it to be what? Soluble. Hydrogen bond. Because of the bond between hydrogen and oxygen there. Hydrogen bond is a bond between hydrogen and what? Oxygen. Or hydrogen and nitrogen. Or hydrogen and fluorine. Any bond between hydrogen and non-metal is called dash. A bond between metal and non-metal is called dash. A bond between two non-metal is called dash. Where they are sharing electron is called covalent bond. You understand? But where one of them, two non-metals, one contributes, you understand? With a lone pair, it is called dash. That's it bond. Thanks for watching.